Ciccino dentro. Ma che Ciccino che è? Ma dai, ma poverino, ma uè, non fare il bullo.
Marcus! Marcus!
Oh, uè, non fare il bullo.
Brianna, non fare il bullo!
Ma perché tiri da là? O tiri da 3 o non tirare da là. Marco, no, non è manco entrato. Marco si è fatto cosa? Ha fatto il 7 mi sa. Ma che cazzo, raga?
Su!
Cicino!
Cazzo, il tempo!
Che scemo che sei. Oh, il cazzo!
Corri!
Dai!
Dai, you!
Dai, cria, no, fai schifo! Che cazzo fanno? Cos'è, 8? È uguale. Loro? Miau miau.
Un po' grandi per avere 16 anni questi.
Ma chi? Giocano del 19 anni. Miau miau. Miau.
Dai, you! Nice one, you! Che bullo che sei, oh!
Quello qui avrai. Sì.
Non era traveling. Era traveling, Luca. Era traveling.
Sei pronta? Sei duro. Ah, ma è italiano! Sì,
È vero, Firenze, amo! Cria, sei un bullo!
che bulli!
Milanesi, cosa fate? Milanesi, cosa fate, bulli?
Dai, Kayan!
No, no.
Giuro, non si giura. Però se per...
Pasahin natin ng konti. Laban. 3-0. 7 minutes and 59 seconds in this championship game. Leading by Milano. connects the first, second. Nine. In the 15th, jump, no good. Already number 5.
Natakot sila kay Wemby.
Foul has been called. 7, foul. 12, sorry. First team foul. Substitution. Substitution.
Per far vedere che almeno hanno penalty. Per far vedere che hanno penalty al prossimo.
Foul. Four.
Dovete stare così.
5 team foul. Penalty.
Davanti, davanti, davanti.
Bu, Milano.
Dai, milanesi.
Forza Milano.
Banks connects the second throw. 5-0.
E ora la fanno, te lo dico io, la fanno ora.
Doing it. 9. Spin by 8. Jump in the 17. No. Rebound by 4. Bumababa ng bola. 7. Nakita sa 6 sa loob. Pinasa sa 4. 4. 6. Up. Block. There's a foul. Still goal. 4. Second team foul. Penalty. We would like to present to these under 16s. All of them have been selected to our under 16s selection ID here in Philcom. They're the one who will represent in MBDC under 16 Manila Live. Almost steal. Number 9, pass to 15. Back to 4, swing it over to 12. Seen by back. Enter up by 7. Back. Your step. Pick it up by 7. It's on the run. Number 6. Cut. Black. In. Foul has been called. Number 12. 2 shots. Foul.
Cosa? No, cazzo. Porco due. Cosa?
Bang.
Ci sta che fai ba.
7. 6-0.
Dapat lang. Ma ci si sente?
Foul.
Ci si sente?
Sì. Pure bene, guarda.
Ma si può
Pushing.
togliere l'audio?
No, non lo so, non credo.
Ma io spero che non lo so.
Spero che vanno fast forward.
First team foul.
Poi se lo riesco.
First foul. Number 12. Number 9. Screen by 8. Inside. Umatake. Siyempre, pasok. Number 5.
Luca è un po' basso il coso, riesci ad alzarlo.
Hustled by 15. Inside. Block. Blocking foul. Number 12. Wait, sorry. 2 shots. Penalty.
Perché era strabasso Luca. Non vedevo niente.
No.
Dai, si può togliere l'audio. Ma queste ce le teniamo
Ben, second shot. 6:25 seconds in 6 minutes and 23 seconds in this first quarter. With Milano leading by 5 points. Numero 9, humingi ng screen. Tumira. Shot. Rebound by Sela, nagmamadali. Kita na si Bente. Using the glass. Lista mo na. Number 12. Number 6, foul. 3 seconds violation. Time out! Firenze. We would like to invite you to our second leg of Identification ID in Paris, December 28 and 29. So, this selection is for Europe. Of course, we invite our champion from Italy, under 16, and under 19, and under 14. Facilitate by our NBTC Director, Coach Eric Altamirano.
Ha vinto cold-blooded con Baservite.
Steal. Backing. Violation. Foul. No, backing. Pushing. First team foul by Milano. Nice and clean play. Give and go. 9-4. Number 5. Number 20. Seen by 6 inside. Loses. Number 8. Nagmamadali. Pumasok sa loob. Pick it outside by 3. No. Pick it up by 4. Reset the ball. To number 9. Seen by 8. Inside. Using the glass. Connects. Good penetration. 9-6. With 5 minutes and 11 seconds in this championship game. Sino kaya ang magwawagi? A 3. Steal. To 15. Yes! Come back with 2. With 1 point deficit by Milano. 4 minutes and 58. Isa na lang po naman. Great comeback. Number 20. Number 20. Inside. 6 by 11. Give the 6 inside. Yes, there's a foul. Number 8. Foul. 2 shots. Penalty. Time out. Time out, Milano.
Number 8, foul.
Non è lui, anzi quello lì, quello grande, Ottorignoli. You 60, go out. No, quello è Sadeo. Sadeo si chiama. Allora, quello l'altro Marco. Sir, vai, Sadeo.
We would like to announce Proudly Pinoy. Identification ID will be held on August 2025 in Malta. New venue, new organization, new leadership.
tecnico io giro, eh.
Jurassic.
Tecnico 20, eh.
Number 6, first row, connects. For his last throw. Number 6, 15, number 6. Inside. Front, Euro step. Euro Hugo step. Number 20, number 11, number 10, 5. Screen by 9, inside. Euro step, not good. Big rebound by 4. Number 12, bumababa. Dalawa naman sa isa, sa malaksak. Give it to Ed individual. Wow, loses it. Loses control. Inside. Floats. Yes, connect. 11-8, 12-8. 4 points deficit by Milano.
Counted.
Substitution.
Counted.
Counted. Ah, no.
Substitution. Foul. 9, holding foul.
Christian. È entrato, ha fatto un fallo, Christian.
From 3 points.
Dai, Cri! Itot mo, Christian! Vai, fratello!
Anche tu sei mia figlia?
Sì. Vai, Cri! Cos'è che ho fatto?
13-11.
Cos'è che ho fatto? Cos'è che ho fatto? Ma non è vero mai.
Inside, by 5 floats. No, did drop. Pick it up by 5. Nagmamadala, nakita sa 11. Inside, connects. 15-11. A 4-point deficit by Milano. 2 minutes and 56 seconds. Connects. 3 points. 1 point lead. 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Heads up. Inside. Block by number 9. It's a foul as we go. Foul. 5. 2 shots. Substitution.
Che scherzo. Ma sembra un tatuaggio vero.
È da tempo.
Cosa?
È da tempo.
Da te.
First row.
Tempo.
Ah, da te.
Ah, capello.
Nope.
Ma cosa ancora il primo tempo?
Sì.
Second throw. Nope. Inside, the big man. Nakatayo na lang, kinuha niya rebound.
Ah, Yujiro!
There's a foul being called. Natawagan ng foul. 5. Reaching foul. Penalty. Second foul.
Queste sono le semifinali.
14.
Dikit ang laban. Isa lang po. Tignan natin kung makakadagdagan. Connects for the 2 points deficit by Milano. In this first quarter, Looking for third. Deficit. Yes! 17-20. 2 minutes and 25 seconds. Number 9. Spin. Back. You can roll. Forward inside. Power Spico. Reaching foul. 4. Third team foul. Second team foul. Third team foul. Side. Inbound. The 12. Our younger player. Yan. 14 years old. Binababa. Pumasok sa loob. Pinasang Siko. Tumira. No good. The rebound by number 4. Nagmamadali. Pinasok 7. Oh, may pang natatawagan.
Ancora.
4. 2 shots.
Ancora. Ma c'hanno 12 foul, hanno più di cose.
Third foul. Substitution. Substitution. Sobra naman ito. Rebound by number 4. Number 12. Ang nag-iisang Kylie Henry. Pinasa umikot sa loob. Nilabas sa 5. Tumira. Wala. Isa po. Pushing. 14 foul. Side inbound. Baseline. Baseline inbound. Second foul. Milano is warning for penalty. Number 9. 6. Slice inside. Banks. 16-17. 1 point deficit by Milano. Rebound in 30 seconds in this first quarter. Sabine for 3. No good. Last touch. Blue ball. Blue ball. Blue ball. Challenge. Review. Number 20. Crossover. Open. One away. Between 7. Between 3. Foul. Foul with the foul. 7 foul. Bonus shot. Both teams are in penalty situation. Mainit ang laban. Tatabla kaya? Shot. Patay! Yes, 17 all. 1 minute and 14 seconds. Second shot. For lead. No. Magbabago kaya ang ihip ng hangin. Sumalaksak. Dinrap. Pasok. Back to 2. Deficit. 1 minute. 59 seconds. 57. 14 floats. No. Rebound by 12. 50 seconds. Nakita si 30. Tumira. Pasok. 4 na ang kalamangan. 41 seconds in this championship game. Steve, 7. Nagmamadali. Binibigyan, binigyan pa. 10 minutes. 6 seconds. 30 seconds. 28, 27, 25, 24, 22, 20. Inside slice, number. Big rebound by 20. 15 seconds. 14. Inside. Foul! With 11 seconds, there's a foul. Anyone?
Che spazzo che è?
Penalty. shot. Third foul by number 12. Big rebound, big comeback. 10, 9, back. With 9 seconds left. Side inbound. Side inbound. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3 seconds. 2, 1, 0. Go. 27-17. 10 kalamangan. Sa ilang minuto, lumobo ang kalamangan ng Milano.
I nostri milanesi.
Back to the ball game. Next game. Knockout games between Bologna against
Oh, devi uscire senza tecnici, eh.
Milano. Under 19. Let's prepare for this knockout game. Knockout games to the finals. Who will win? Will be the championship game.
Milan. Perché non rimangono dentro il nostro Marco. Quello là piccolino.
Il nostro principe. Oh, le copie. Sembrano quelle di Anna. Davvero?
Back to the ball game with the second half. A championship game between Milano. Mahalagaan kaya ng Milano sa nilang puntos sa kalamangan. Maaabot kaya ng Firenze. Let's go! Number 15 inside. Touchdown, go! Big rebound by number 20. Ayun, naaga, 101 between 20. Umikot. No. Number 4. Number 12. Umiikot. Oh, may foul na tatawagin. 12, reaching foul. First team foul by Milano.
Marco!
Sideline.
Ora Lucky si toglie la maglietta.
No, no, se l'ha appena tolta.
The steal. Oh, what a steal. A 12-point lead now by Firenze. Pick and roll. Here we go. Number 5. You see the glass? No, a top. Pick it up by 12. with rotate by 12, 12 3 points. Cut it down to 9. Number 20, 12 shots, shorts, blue ball. Number 8, 8 minutes and 42 sa 12. Number 15 for 3. No, big rebound, floats inside. Bang! Set it down into 7 points deficit. Number 6 to number 20. Number 6. Number 7. Foul. 12. Penalty. 2 shots. Substitution. 4 foul. Yes. 8 minutes and 22. 7. No. Looking for his second charity. Violation has been called. Entering 2 zone. Line violation. Substitution. Substitution. Wait. Substitution. Blue ball na. Side ball. Blue ball. 8:22.
Tanto na lang fatto lo
Yes, 1-1 by 12. Foul has been called. Foul number 12. Second team foul. Substitution. Substitution. 12 out, 11 in. Cut inside. Substitution. Substitution, please. Eight out, 9 in. Top to 9. Give it back to 12. Kaya Ervin to 9. Steal inside. Drops using 11. No.
Isa na lang sa tokatinal kahats.
Inside by number 4. You reset the good. Big rebound by 4. To 12. Sumalaksak. Sa gilid.
Ay,
Sa
Gri!
back. Sumalaksak. Inside. Out of control.
Sikri!
Jumbo. Simbo. Irreversible. Inside. Foul has been called. 5 foul. 13 foul. 2 charity. 7 minutes and 39 seconds in the championship game of under 16. No. Second shot. No. Big rebound by number 8. 6 to 9. Nilaglag 6. Bumalik na sa 9. Tabi outside. Number 9. number 5 to 11. 10-second shot clock. Scissor 6 inside. Traveling violation. 7-point deficit by Milano. To 9, 12. Setting up. Still to 9. Give it up to 15. 4. Hustle by 4. Give it up to 12 for 3. Bangs! Count up to 4 deficit. Apat na lang ang kalamangan ng Milano. Hustle by 15. Lose control. White ball. Side ball. 7 minutes and 12 seconds. Time out. Time out, Milano. After this game, a raging battle between under 19 Milano and Bologna, with Bologna with 3-0 standing without loss.
Messaggi su Instagram.
Back to the ball game.
Tecnico.
29-25, a 4-point deficit by Milano. White ball.
Sera la Samaccia. Non ha le palle, oh.
Number 6, Alex. Number 5, number 20, big strong, inside the number 5. 31-25, 6-point deficit by Milano. For 3, short, pick it up by 8, no, again, bang, salida. To 4-point lead by Milano with 6 minutes and 42 seconds left in this championship ball game. Steve, pick it up by 9, turn back, 1-1, blocked by number 6, there's a foul as we go. Two charity will be given, foul number 6. Warning for penalty, Milano. First foul. 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Nope. With 4-point deficit. Babawasan kaya? Bangs! Bawas ng tatlo. Tatlo na lang ang kalaman. 6:28. Inside. Slice. Drop it to 6. Short. Pick it up by 5. Fakes. Foul. And 1. Foul by number 4. Bonus shot. A 5-point deficit.
Sa
The
Cardano,
team
sa
makes
Cardano.
6. Bang! 6-point lead by Milano. Inside. For 3. No. Pick it up by 9. Set it up. Get a screen from 8. To the right wings for 3. Short. Pick it up by 8. Inside. Short. Same ball. Baseline inbound. Substitution. Five in, 4 out. Inside free. No, toss it out the crowd. Swing to 9. Screen by 8. For 17. Bang! Set it out into 4. 4-point lead. 540. Screen by 7. 1-1 by 7 and 8. This is the goal. Pick it up by 20. Shots. Low. Pick it up by 8. The 12. Hustle. Number 9. Nagmamadali. 1-1. Foul as we go. Blocking foul. 2 shots. Mababawasan kaya sa 4? Third foul. Third personal foul. Penalty ang Milano. Short. Nope. Big rebound by Nagan. Our big man. Toss it to 5. 15. Tumingin sa likod. Inside. Floats. Nope. Kanya ulit. Nope. Kanya ulit. Oh, may foul na tatawagan. Penalty. 0. Bowling foul. 2 shots.
Yujiro, foul.
4 foul by 0. Substitution. Huh? 2-0. First Charity. Non-players, umalis po kayo sa bench ng mga ng both teams. Kung hindi pa kayo players dyan, tabi lang po. Yung mga meron, doon lang po kayo sa gilid. Players and coach lang po ang nakatayo. Para po maiwasan natin yung konting diskusyon at aberya. 15. No, in and out. 5. Binababa ang bola. Inside for 3. Shots. Pick it up by 6. Nakuha ng 8. Nagmamadali. Ayun. Sa likod. Give it by God. Loses control. White ball. White ball. 4 minutes and 55 seconds. Seven to 4 for 3. No. Loses control. Blue ball. Nine. Penetrates inside. Pick it up to 12 for 3. Nope. Pick it up by 8. Inside. There's a foul. Foul number 7. Pushing foul. 2 shots. Substitution. Robbie. Nope. Do they can cut it to P? We will see. Nope. Big rebound by number 8, big man. 15. Give it to number 9. Screen by 8. Inside. Shot. Nope. Short. Number 4. Easy and relax. Bring down the ball. In the corner. Inside. Penetrates. Drop it down. To 9. Pick it up by 9. Toss it to 4. For 3. Nope. Pick it up by 8. Number 9. Nagmamadali. Inside. Loses control. White ball. 3 minutes and 51. Ilan pa tayo?
Anong timeout namin?
7. Slices inside. Drop it 4. Pick it up by 7. Pick. Back pass. Banks. Leads 76. A 6-point deficit of Milano. Nangangamoy championship na ba sa Milano? O mga aabulin ng Brise ng Firenze? You get a speed. 12. Speed for shot for 3. Nope. Big rebound by 8. Pick it up. Inside. White ball. Dalawa. Okay. 2 timeout pa. Number 6. Alex. Binababa ang bola. Inside. Sumalaksak. No. Rebound by 4. 3 minutes and 5 seconds. With 6 points deficit. Screen by 8. Tumira ng 3. Short. Substitution. 9 out. 20 in. Five. Number 9, 2 and 1. Shot by 9. Connects. Nabawasan ng 4 ang kalamangan. 2 minutes and 44. 0. 20. Has it at 15. Double team. Triple team. Kicking it out. Inside close by 5. Jazz. Go down. 30-32. 6-point deficit. Nagmamadali. Inside, 4, fake. Traveling.
Kasi magkasama kami sila po ng tropa na Yujiro.
Luka.
Inside, timeout, Firenze. Last 2 minutes and 8 seconds with 8-point deficit by Milano. Nangangamoy championship na ba sa Milano? Makakabawi kaya ang Firenze, back to the ball game.
Sai che due riescono a fare tanto secondo me.
Siamo noi contro sì.
Però sono contro Milano.
2 minutes and 8 seconds with 8 points deficit by Milano.
Sabi ko sa'yo, Yujiro. Spero che fai un altro fallo.
Binababa ang bola. Walang imposible. Humihingi ng screen. Si 12. Binigay sa 4. Balik sa 9. Sumalaksak. Out on the back. Hit inside. No, didn't drop. Pick it up by 6. Yes, connected 6. To 60%. Nagmamadali si 7. Pinasa sa 4. Step back, block by number 4. Nakita dito, nagmamadali. 6-point deficit. Stop by 12.
Ma brutto scemo, guarda!
Foul, number 9. 1 minute and 26 seconds. Number 4, traveling violation. A 6-point lead by Milano. Substitution.
Uccidi tutti.
1 minute and 20
Però il
seconds.
tipo di Ella.
Abbiamo detto tutti.
Steal by number 7. Pick it up from Alex alone. Connects.
Sembra il tipo di Ella.
Vero, adesso.
Down into 8. Loses control. Back to 15. Pick it up. Ball short. Number 5. Using the clock wisely. With 50 seconds left. Pick it up at 9. Alone. 2 against 1. Pick it up to 3. Drop. No. Loses control. Connects. 36 and 42 with 6-point deficit.
Foul! Stop
4.
the clock!
Little foul. 7. Inside. Drop to Alex. Connects. 43. Foul.
Vabbè, tanto alla fine.
Third foul. 2 shots. 25 seconds in this championship game. 44-36 with 8 points deficit by Milano.
Mi sente, bro. Perché stava urlando.
Time out ka na pagka-shoot.
Time out, se non è. Anche se la loro
No. One more shot. 19 seconds. Time out, Firenze.
Perché quando è che l'hai messo? Quando è che l'hai messo?
Aspetta, ragioniamo. Calma, Alia. Aspetta, calma.
Fermala, fermala.
Era 30 no, dovete ascoltare, ragazzi. Cioè, prima di agire, pensiamo. Che cosa è successo?
17 shot.
Non lo volete spiegare? No.
44-36 with 8 points deficit. Oh no. Yes, 8 points deficit with 30 seconds left.
Ed è giusto, mi raccomando,
Baseline inbound. 30 seconds left. Foul. Penalty. 28 seconds.
manteniamo.
28 seconds. goal. 2 shots.
Tanto avete perso. Sei live, scemo. Tanto avete perso.
27 and 52. First charity. 36-45. A 9-point deficit. Thanks. A 10
Sono Di Martina. Sono Di Martina. 5 falli. Quinto fallo.
Putol. Di numero 4. Tanggal ang saksakan. Tapakan ang saksakan.
È già uscito? È già uscito?
Wala na po.
tayong microphone. Ayun, balik ang microphone. 20 seconds left in this championship game.
Perdete tempo.
Banks connects. 11, 19, 16, to 10. Foul has been called. 2 shots. Seconds left. With 11 points deficit. Securing the win to the championship game. Points deficit. 12 seconds. You have seen the sports characters still on display. Are you proud of Pinoy under 16 champion goes to Milan Philcom Italy. Congratulations. Congratulations guys, of course. How does it feel to become a champion? There's a tears of joy. Parents are proud. Of course. You work hard for this team and every deserve for something, right? There is only one winner in this ball game. And who will remain, of course, leads by very best player of the game. We don't know yet. Our best player of the game will be...
Fratello! Fratello!
Sino? Pakisabi sa akin. Pakisabi niyo sa akin ano ibigay sa kanila.
Ancora te? Ma guarda che stai per fare graduate, eh! La telecamera!
Eugenio Hernandez. Congratulations. Gio.
Gio!
Gio. How does it feel to become the champion, of course? Anong pakiramdam ng champion? This is our first ever, I know, in Proudly. Unang championship nito. Anong pakiramdam mo? Maganda. Maganda. Being best player. How you gonna describe your game here? Amazing game. So, do you want to take for something else? May gusto kang pasalamatan? Wala. Okay. Congratulations, guys. Congratulations, Milano, winning the Under 16 Proudly Pinoy Championship. Next game, Milano and Bologna. A dual-die game.